look at the game and I'm sick at it. Yeah. They treat the loyalty like it's a lease. I signed a contract, now I need some peace. Yeah. So don't tell me that you miss the old me. The old me was broke, that's what you told me. Yeah, that's what you said. I'm doing things for the city that they never did. I'm building castles just to hide the kid. Just to hide them. Don't tell me that you miss the old me. Look, check the timestamp. It's 4 a.m. and I'm discussing asses. You worry about the captions and the outfits. I'm worried about the legacy and outlets. I cut them off, they say I'm acting distinct. I say I'm acting on instinct. What you think? My mother told me people change like the seasons. You switching sides and you don't even have a reason. I sent a driver but you wasn't there. Now you posting quotes like you really care. That's ironic, that's crazy, yeah, that's iconic. Pour the drink, let's be honest. Use it, tables turn, rages burn. You live and learn, yeah. I'm watching from the balcony, yeah. It's all comedy to me. So don't tell me that you miss the old me. Old me was broke, that's what you told me. I remember. I'm doing things for the city that they never did. I'm building castles just to hide a kid. So don't tell me that you miss the old